So in this question, you're asked to find the sine of sine 52 and tan 7. Sine meaning you need to determine whether this number is positive or negative. So if I don't write any units after 52, that means the units are in radians. I want the sine of sine 52 radians and tan 7 radians. So to find the sine of the trigonometric ratio, we just need to determine which quadrant 52 lies in. The quadrant that 52 radians lies in. So we know that one right angle is pi by 2 radians. So we just need to see how many pi by 2s are there in 52. That means I just need to divide 52 with pi by 2. Pi by 2 we know that it is approximately 1.57. Pi by 2 is 3.14 by 2 is approximately 1.57. So I can divide this. I can try to divide 52 with this. So effectively I need to divide 157 with 5200, right? So 52 by 1.57 is same as 157 out of 5200. So you have 157 into 3s are 450 plus 21 is 471. So you have 29 plus 20 is 49, 490. So again you have 3 times 471. So you have a 19 remaining. So 52 out of 52 by 157, which is same as 5200 by 157, is equal to 33 is the quotient, 33 and 19 out of 157. That's a mixed fraction that you get. So 52 out of 157 is 33 and 19 by 157. This is a fraction. So you have 33 right angles and a fractional right angle. It is 33 right angles plus a fractional right angle. So which quadrant does this lie? So if you want 33 right angles, so 32 right angles make complete cycle. So you have 33 right angles till here and plus something, an extra fractional right angle. So obviously you go to the second quadrant. That means 52 radians lies in the second quadrant. Hence sine 52 is positive. So here I have used the approximate value of pi by 2 to get the answer. So next you're asked to find the sine of tan 7 radians. So this time you can try to divide 7 by 1.57. Instead of that you can directly try to do divided by pi by 2, that is 7 by pi into 2. That is 14 by pi is nothing but 22 by 7. This 7 goes up. So effectively you have 70 plus 28, 98 by 22. Again I have used the approximate value of pi. So you get 4 right angles, 4, you get 88, you had 10 as the remainder, 10 by 22. That means you have 4 complete right angles and a 10 by 22nd of a right angle. 4 right angles plus 10 by 22nd of a right angle. So which quadrant do you end up? 4 right angles make a complete rotation plus a fractional right angle. So obviously you get an angle in the first quadrant. So in the first quadrant the value of tan is positive. Hence sine 52 is positive as well as tan 7 is positive. So I hope you have understood how to get the quadrant of a given radian angle. You can divide with 1.57 approximately, or you can directly divide with pi by 2. Anyway you're using approximation because you don't need the exact position. You just need the quadrant position. So if I use the approximate value of pi by 2, I get the answer.